Transforming your living room into a stylish and comfortable space can be both fun and rewarding. Start by considering the room's function and the mood you want to create. For a cozy, inviting atmosphere, opt for warm, neutral tones like beige, taupe, or soft gray for your walls and larger furniture pieces. These tones provide a versatile backdrop that can be easily be complemented with various accents. To add depth and interest, incorporate textured elements such as plush rug, velvet throws, pillows, or a knitted throw blanket. Layering different texture creates visual intrigue and sense of comfort. Next, think about your furniture layout. Arrange seating to encourage conversation and relaxation. A common arrangement is to place a sofa facing a focal point, such as a fireplace or a large window, with additional seating like armchairs or love seat positioned around it. If space allows, consider incorporating a coffee table or an ottoman in the center to serve as both functional and decorative piece. When selecting furniture, aim for a balance between aesthetics and practicality. Choose pieces that are stylish yet comfortable and durable. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your living room. Combine different types of lighting to create a layered effect. Start with ambient lighting such as ceiling fixtures or recessed lightings to provide overall illumination. Then add task lighting like floor lamps or table lamps for reading or specific activities. Finally, incorporate accent lighting such as wall sconces or LED strips. To highlight artwork or architectural features, adjustable lighting options like dimmers can help you tailor the ambience to different occasions. To bring personality and flair to your living room, incorporate artwork and decorative items that reflect your taste. A large statement piece such as a painting or a gallery wall of framed photos can serve as a focal point. Use decorative accessories like vases, candles, and sculptures to add character and style. Arrange these items in groups of odd numbers or a more natural and balanced look. Be mindful not to overcrowd surfaces. Instead, choose a few statement pieces that enhance the room without overwhelming it. Incorporating plants can add a touch of nature and freshness to your living room. Choose low maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants if you're new to indoor gardening. For a more vibrant effect, place a tall floor plant in the corner and a series of smaller plants on shelves or plant stands. Plants not only improve air quality but also introduce vibrant color and texture. Finally, personalize the space with items that reflect your hobbies and interests, whether it's a collection of books, travel souvenirs, or a favorite piece of pottery. These personal touches can make the living room feel uniquely yours. Regularly updating and rearranging decorative elements can keep the space feeling fresh and engaging. By carefully selecting colors, arranging furniture thoroughly, layering lighting, and adding personal touches, you can create a living room that is both stylish and inviting. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.